Guys, welcome back again. Packet Racer titled Skills Integration Challenge. So, addressing table, add device, interface, add IP address and subnet mask and default gateway, and the other is don't have no default gateway. So, objectives: finish the network documentation. Then perform basic device configuration on a router and a switch. Verify connectivity, troubleshoot any issues. Scenario: your network manager is impressed with your performance in your job as a LAN technician. She would like to demonstrate you to ability to configure a router connecting two LANs. Your tasks include configuring basic settings on a router and a switch using the Cisco IOS. You will then verify your configuration as well as configurations on existing devices by testing end-to-end connectivity. So note requirements: provide the missing information in the addressing table. Name the router RTA and second switch ASW2. You will not able to access ASW1. So AS1 is locked. So use Cisco as the user exec password for all lines. Use class as the privilege access password. Then encrypt all plain text passwords. Configure an appropriate banner. Configure addressing for all devices according to the addressing table. Then document interfaces with descriptions including the ASW2 VLAN1 interface. Then save your configurations. Verify connectivity between all devices. All devices should be able to ping any devices. Then troubleshoot and document any issues and implement the solution necessary to enable verify full end-to-end connectivity. So RTA, CLI, then type then configuration terminal for the host, then host name RTA, then Cisco for the password, then line console 0, Cisco as a password. Log in and then exit. Then line BTY0 15. Then password Cisco again. Then log in and exit. Then use class the privilege exec password. So enable secret Cisco. Enable secret Cisco. I mean class. Then encrypt all plain text passwords. So service password encryption to encrypt all the plain text password. Then we configure an appropriate banner. So banner MOTD warning. Then configure addressing for all devices according to the addressing table. So you can put this to interface G00. Then interface G00. Enter them. IP address 10, which is 10.10.10.10.1. So the IP address 10.10.10.1, then 255.255.255.0, then shutdown, then exit, then document interface with descriptions including the ASW2. Interface G01, then IP address, then IP address, then 10.10.11.11.1, then 255 the subnet mask, 255.255.0, then no shutdown, then exit. Okay, and then right to save the configuration. So it's now okay. Then to proceed to ASW2. So CLI, then type enable, configure terminal, then hostname SW2, and console 0, password Cisco, exit, then to line PTY 015, then password Cisco, then login, exit, then enable secret password, then service appropriate all plain text password, encrypt all text password encryption, then configure and then interface ASB LAN 1, then then 10.10.11.100, then 255, then 455, then 0 na subnet mask, then description. To so description, this is interface VLAN is ASW2, then save your configuration. IP default gateway, the gateway, and 10.11.1. So let's enter 10.10.1, and then type right to save your configuration. Then now, then verify connectivity between all device. Desktop, then default gateway in the table. Then so for the default gateway of this user 03 to be copied in the here 10.10.11.1. Then for user 04, default gateway is 10.10.10.11.1. So for 01 user IP, it's so it is 10.10.10.1. Then user 02, so oops, IP configurations is 10.10.10.1. So RTA is 90/100. So I think the problem is so let's check the wrong. So it's completion 100 and 100. So that's all for Sprocket Racer. Thank you.